I'm Fritz Nelson here at CES 2012, and I'm with Eric Willey from Viewsonic. You have a couple of new displays. What are they called, first of all?
Thank you, Fritz. I guess first I would like to say that Viewsonic is an innovator in display technology. We're innovating our line right now with what we call a universal display. So the product right in front of you, we call a TDI 2340. It's a 23-inch connected display. So it actually has an ARM-based processor inside, supports Wi-Fi connectivity, and allows you to stream your content from your tablets, your smartphones, or your notebook computers directly to the screen. Also supports a function of docking, a docking station function. So you can plug your keyboard and mouse into the monitor and actually control your tablet or smartphone directly from the display.
So you're not just streaming, you're also...
Right. So we're not just doing a simple TV box, but you can handle all your productivity, all your PC and your computing needs directly from the large size, beautiful 23-inch panel right here.
Okay, and it's touch-based as well, right?
It is. So one of our initiatives this year, getting ready for Windows 8, is we're ramping up our touch development. So this is the first 23-inch panel on the market with a 10-point touch system. So that'll allow 10 finger points of touch simultaneously for either one or multiple users.
Okay, and what are some of the outputs on there? You said wireless, does obviously HDMI and VGA.
Right, so the traditional VGA, HDMI, it has the dual USB ports, it has the Wi-Fi connectivity, and then there's one more, there's an RJ45 connection, so you can stream and control over a Ethernet port as well.
Okay, and this has a special hinge on it too. What's that called and how does that work?
Right, so the ID, we tried to make it as flexible and versatile as possible. So we started off with the frameless glass bezel, the touch integrated buttons, and then we carried that concept down to the stand. So the stand is actually a dual hinge stand, and the reason for that, it allows us to do a traditional height adjust. So your traditional PC mode of operation, users usually are used to looking at the display in the up position. You can use it in a full downward position. A lot of designers like to have that flexibility. And then with the touch capabilities, some users want to be able to have the capability to operate in a tabletop mode. So the display can fold all the way down, and you can manipulate the display in a tabletop with either one or several users at the same time.
And how much does this cost?
This product, we're looking at a street price of $599 and shipping in the April-May time period.
Okay, and we have this other one here. Let's take a look at this one now.
Right.
What's that one called?
So this is a little bit smaller. This is a 22-inch. This one's called a TD 2220. Price points are much better. It doesn't have the Wi-Fi or some of those other streaming capabilities, but for users who are looking for a good, solid touch-based product, they can look to this one at about a $299 price point. So,
is it 10-point multi-touch as well?
This one is not. This one is a dual point, so you can still do your pinching and stretching and those types of manipulations, but it's not going to support the 10-point Windows 8 touch.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you, Fritz.